Hello children, this is Komal teacher from MMI Bibvewadi. So today we are going to work with wet pouring, that is pouring from jug to two unequal containers. So let's see what all do you need for this activity. For this activity you need to wear an apron, you need a plastic mat, tray, jug and two unequal glasses and a sponge. So let's begin this activity. You use your two fingers and a thumb to lift the jug and we go from top to bottom. You can see there is little water inside the jug. Why? Because the water is there because these are two unequal glasses. So a little extra amount of water is in the jug. Let's put it back. There's a little water in the tray. You can use your sponge to clean it. So this is the way you transfer from jug to two unequal containers. Thank you. This activity aims in developing child's concentration, coordination and also finer motor skills. It makes the child independent to do daily chores. It teaches the child to pour liquid with judgmental and control. Thank you.